In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background video to Webflow. If you've ever wanted to make your website more dynamic and engaging, adding a background video is a great way to do just that. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a stunning background video that enhances your web design and captures the attention of your visitors. First, we're starting off right in Webflow's Designer. This is the heart of your web building process, where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Designer, the next step is to locate the Add panel. An easy way to do this is by pressing the A key on your keyboard. This is a handy shortcut that will help you access the panel quickly and efficiently, a tip that will surely save you time in the long run as you build and modify your site. Now that you're in the Add panel, you're going to want to find the background video element. This element is essential for adding the video that will serve as the lively backdrop to your page content. To do this, simply drag and drop the background video component onto your page. Typically, this is best placed in key areas that demand attention, such as a hero section at the top of your page. The hero section is a prime location because it's the first thing visitors see, setting the stage for the rest of your site. After you've positioned the background video element, it's time to upload your video file. You'll be prompted to do this, and it's crucial to ensure that your video is optimized for web use. Keep in mind the balance between visual quality and file size. An overly large file might slow down your site. Ideally, you should use a short, looping video that maintains visitors' interest without distracting them from your main content. The video should complement your site's design and theme, creating a cohesive aesthetic experience. Once the video is uploaded, you can preview how it looks in your design. Make sure the video loops smoothly and integrates well into your layout. Testing across different devices and screen sizes can also be beneficial, as you want to ensure that the background video performs well for all visitors. This process is quite simple, but very effective in elevating the overall feel of your website. Remember to pay attention to the details, such as choosing videos that fit your brand and message. With these steps, adding a background video to your Webflow site is not only achievable, but also an exciting way to bring your web pages to life. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.